Good morning. Happy Monday, everyone. It is Monday, July 8th. Bright and sunny here in GTA, Ontario. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend and that everyone absorbed some of that good weather we had, especially yesterday. Sunday was great for us over here. Want to go over my trade recap. Today I traded two stocks. Let's dive right into it. I'm going to start off with the ITCI Intracellular. Not even too sure what they do, but this is based on scanner settings and whatnot. And right off the hop, guys, the 5-minute opening breakout, or actually I should say 1-minute opening breakout. I was short bias on this stock, and as you can see right off the hop, 2 minutes in, here's the first candle to make a close. 2 minutes in, I decided to take this short. Immediately taking short, I started to take profits right off the hop, as you can see in this 1-minute breakout. Had a nice surge back up, surged right up to the very top of the first opening candle, pumped right down fairly quickly. That's when I went short again. Once again, shorted it and started taking profits right off the hop. After those big moves, I was kind of in and out, gave back some profits. Ultimately, on my short run, it rendered me about $190 in the profits. At one point, I took this very same stock and I went long. Let me just take a look here where I did go long. It would appear that my first long was in and around the 952 area timeline, and it was around $10.30. Took a couple of longs and then eventually sold for some profits, etc. Between those two, that was about $250 of profit for the day, so not too bad. Guys, moving over to AMRN, Amarian Corporation. In this case, I was long bias, and this was a picture-perfect 5-minute bull flag breakout. Let's take a quick peek here. So as you can see, volume was starting to come in. I anticipated the breakout of this last candle right here. This would be a classic bull flag breakout. And as soon as it did break out, I started taking some profits right away. It started to make a little dip, and I ended up closing my entire position. I probably should have kept this open. I'll tell you why. On the 1-minute chart, we can see clearly here that it held the 9 EMA, and that's a clear indication that the stock is still very strong. And as you can see, it closed the 9 EMA above. The next candle closed pretty much on or above, and then it shot right up. In reality, what I probably should have done, I should have carried this until it broke the 9 EMA, and technically that would have been this big drop. Odds are, though, if I had held it up into this neck of the woods where it was the high of the day, I would have probably released some, if not all of my shares at this point. But anyways, this one rendered out okay. Give me an extra $100. Closed my Monday morning, $359.07. Less about $25 in trading fees. Guys, the really big thing about today is not necessarily capitalizing on $360. It's more so this is my 11th straight consecutive green day. And you can see my previous trade recaps. They're wins between $250 and $500 per day. That is my goal these days until I bump that up, but I have a ways to go. The consistency is probably the biggest thing out of here versus how big the wins are. So, for me, that's what's key is the consistency and taking profits as you start to win. And never turn a winning trade into a losing trade. You more or less should just be cutting it off, and you can always get back into the trade. Hey, quiet. Dogs. Anyways, guys, happy Monday, July 8th. I will post this recap live, and all the best, guys. Safe trading, and have a good one. Cheers.